From our backyard to your screen, join Cook with Regina as we turn fresh farm harvest into a delicious Ghanaian meal with Grandpa leading the way. Simple, natural, and straight from home. Sit back and let's do this together till the end. Welcome to a new month and a new video here on our channel. We get our key ingredients from our backyard plantain farm. Grandpa feeds the domestic chicken and attends to the backyard rabbits farm. Works on the plantain and makes it ready for cooking. Get a fresh green kontomire or cocoyam leaves from our backyard. Wash the plantain and put it into a cooking pot. Grandpa pours water onto the washed plantain in the pot and begins to work on the kontomire. Wash and add to the plantain in the pot. We wash the turkey berries or kantose and the habanero, wrap them up into the kontomire leaf and add to the plantain in the pot. pot with an earthenware bowl, light up the coalpot fire, put the pot on it and leave it to boil. After boiling for some time, we take out the kontomire and kantose out from the pot and set it aside. Slice onions into the earthenware and grind. Add the boiled habanero pepper, turkey berries and kontomire and grind together till it's well done. Take the completely cooked plantain off the fire, strain the water out from it, pour fresh water onto the cooked plantain and set it aside. We now put the tomatoes onto the charcoal fire, toss it, take it off the fire and add to the grinded vegetables in the earthenware and grind together. Put the amani onto the fire to toast, toss it and take it out from the fire. A pot on fire, add the palm oil to it and leave it to be hot. tomatoes into the hot oil and stir. Add the amani and salt to the grinded vegetables and grind together. Finally, pour the red oil onto it and mix together. Now, the fresh bordeɛ ampesi with our nutritious Kontomire Abom is ready for consumption. From our backyard to our table, this is more than just food. It's home, it's family, it's tradition. We've just finished cooking bordeɛ ampesi with Kontomire Abom using fresh natural ingredients from our backyard farm. The plantains, the cocoyam leaves, the turkey berries, all harvested and prepared with love. No fancy equipment, no shortcuts, just the simple nourishing way our grandparents taught us. Now the best part, eating together. We gather around one table, the plantain leaf laid out in the center like a serving platter from the earth itself. On it, the soft, perfectly cooked plantain, and beside it, in a rustic earthenware bowl, the rich, aromatic Kontomire Abom, full of flavor, packed with nutrients and made with care. We don't use spoons, we don't use bowls, just clean hands and the warmth of each other's company. One by one, we peel the plantains as we eat, slowly, mindfully. The children, Grandpa, my husband and I all seated together. We laugh softly, we pass pieces around, we eat in silence sometimes, not because there's nothing to say, but because this moment says it all. something special about sharing one's meal from one's source, eating with your hands and knowing exactly where every ingredient came from. This isn't just cooking, it's connection. This isn't just tradition, it's life, passed down from one hand to the next. At Cook with Regina, we celebrate the joy of simple, honest food made from the land, cooked with family and shared in love. If this reminds you of home, if it makes you smile, if it inspires you to try something fresh and soulful, subscribe, like and share this video. Leave a comment. Tell us what traditional meal brings your family together. There's so much more to cook, so much more to share. From our backyard to your screen, thank you for being here, and until next time, keep it natural, keep it simple, and keep cooking with love. This is Cook with Regina. See you in the next one.